We'll guide you through how to set the original iPhone ringtone on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is the ringtone that used to be the default one on previous iPhones and older iOSs. To get started, go and open up Settings. You need to go and scroll down and go and find Sounds and Haptics and tap there, and go and find Ringtone and tap there. Scroll to the bottom and find Classic, and now you want to scroll down and you want to go and find Opening. Tap on it and that's it there.